So in the last two videos, I shared how to use the OpenAI speech-to-text API to transcribe podcast audio, and then use the chat completions API to summarize, extract key quotes, takeaways from those episodes. And then now we're going to use Playground again, except this time we're not using it to generate code, and this time we're using it to generate a narrative. And so in the system prompt here, we've assigned it a role this time, which is you are a writer from the New Yorker working on a book called, it's typo, called Into the SQSP Metaverse, Into the Squarespace Metaverse. You're using podcast transcripts for reference. You don't start chapters with in this chapter. You start in the middle of the action from the perspective of the customer. Focus on the story and lessons learned along the way. So here in the user prompt, I've got the title of that particular episode, the transcript, and now I have the our narrative here, right? So as the sun began to set, Sarah logged into her Squarespace website, eager to launch her new membership program. Right into the story, and then I took the previously transcribed takeaways, and I fed that in for a summarized version of takeaways. And then I'm like, can we include the lessons in the narrative? And we got that. And let's see what we have over here. This was the first chapter. So the first chapter, same prompt, system prompt, and then same process of feeding the transcript and then going back and refining it by using our previous takeaways, until we get something that looks like this, which is here's another one. The sound of laughter and excited chatter filled the room as promised, and Tangman, CEO and creative director, blah 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 blah. So yeah, hopefully you found this useful, this 3 video series, and yeah, if you want to check out the book, I'm excited to read it when it's done. I'll put a link in this video as well. Peace.